Hi everyone, Marty here with an interesting hack that I've known about for a few years now. It's a bit of an older hack that allows you to get into any Windows 7 computer as long as you're in front of the computer and can get it into the recovery console or insert the boot disk into the computer. This also works, as far as I'm aware, of Windows 8 and 10, but I believe it's all been patched by now, so probably won't work, but you can give it a go. Okay, so before I show you this hack, I want to mention that this video is for educational purposes only. Do not use this on any computer unless you have explicit permission from the owner. Any damage you cause in any way by anything you've learned in this video, or any of my other videos, is not my responsibility. This hack works on Windows 7 using the recovery console or the installation disk to allow you to change the command prompt cmd.exe file name to the name of the sticky keys file. Then once we've restarted, at the login window, we'll be able to use the sticky keys 5 shift key presses to bring up the command prompt. Okay, so I've inserted the Windows 7 installation disk, and now I'll turn on the computer. As you can see, I'm using a virtual computer. However, the steps will be the same for you if you are using a physical computer. Start the computer and press any key to boot from the installation disk. Don't worry about any of the information on this screen. Now click Repair Your Computer. You'll get a screen that asks you to choose the volume containing your windows. If you get this error, tick the bottom box instead and cancel this recovery window. Okay, so now we're at the window where we can start our work. You'll see command prompt down the bottom. Choose that option. As you can see, the current working directory is the X drive, which is the drive the recovery disk has assigned itself. We need to work out what the drive letter is for the Windows installation on this computer. Okay, so type in disk part. Then type list volumes. Type list volume without the S. As you can see, my Windows system, which is formatted as NTFS, is on the drive letter C. The reason we're checking is that sometimes it gives it another drive letter when you come into the installation part here. Okay, so now type exit to stop using disk part. Okay, so now change directory to the C drive using C:, and then use cd windows / system32 to move to the system32 folder. Now let's rename the sticky keys file to something else so we can change it back later. Type ren space sethc.exe space sethc.exe.old. Essentially what it's saying is change the sticky keys file here to that name on the end, so we're adding .old to it. Okay, now let's make a copy of the cmd.exe file and call the copy sethc.exe. Type copy cmd.exe space sethc.exe. Now let's restart and boot into Windows. Okay, now that Windows is booted, press Shift 5 times. Instead of getting sticky keys, you'll now get a command prompt window. This command prompt window is special as it is running as a system user, which has the highest level of permissions on Windows. There are many different things you could do here, but for now let's assume that we've forgotten the password for the user Marty, and let's reset that. Okay, so type net space user. Type net space user, then the username, and then what you want the new password to be. And now log in using the new password you have set. Now let's clean up the mess we've made. Open the Windows folder and then open the System32 folder. Now let's remove the command prompt that is named sethc.exe. Now rename the sethc.exe.old back to sethc.exe. Okay, apparently we don't have permissions to do that. Copy the sethc.exe.old and then rename it to sethc.exe. Okay, you've now successfully performed this hack, and do remember this is for educational purposes only. This video took a lot of time to make. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more like this, subscribe for more.